Okay, this is Toyota Haze van for St. John Ambulance, Wilayah Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Okay, installed for DVR, Anytek DVR, two-way front and rear mirror DVR for driving video recorder. Okay, this is sponsored by One Piece Online Number Hub. Okay, for the Anytek DVR. Okay, got a SD card slot here. Okay, got a front camera here, so you can change view. Now it's for view for front camera. So got a small display for the rear camera, so you can turn. Okay, this is auto recording, so when your car start engine, the player will turn on, the DVR will turn on, so we'll start recording, so it will show it from here. So this is Anytek Q5D two-way mirror DVR, okay, by onepiece.com domain. Thank you.